lammergeyer birds details. Lammergeier, German, vulture, Gypaetus barbatus, Lammergeier also spelled lammergeir or lammergeyer, also called bearded vulture, large eagle-like vulture of the Old World, family Accipitridae, frequently over 1 meter, 40 inches, long, with a wingspread of nearly 3 meters, 10 feet. The lammergeyer inhabits mountainous regions from Central Asia and Eastern Africa to Spain. It also occurs in the Drakensberg mountain range of South Africa and Lesotho. It feeds on carrion, especially bones, which it drops from heights as great as 80 meters, 260 feet, onto flat rocks below. In Europe and Africa, lammergeiers are absent over large portions of their former range, and this is likely due to the effects of habitat degradation, hunting pressure, and accidental and deliberate poisoning.